I'm Dr. Becky White, and I am the nursing program head for both the practical and associate degree nursing programs here. I have been here for just over 10 years, starting as an adjunct in the practical nursing program, and then grew throughout my role to professor of nursing over these last few years. And I teach in both programs as well, and that's what I do here. And I have always had a passion for this college. We're involved in various things throughout Gloucester County. And so because of that, it was just natural to be here in our community college to pour back into our community. And we love it. We love working. I love working where I teach, where I can see the impact that our students are making on our community. And it's really great to go into our rural facilities and see our graduates and all that they're pouring into our community. I am fortunate to sit on an emergency funding committee. And so although you may not qualify for a Pell Grant, that shouldn't stop you. Here at RCC, we have our Pell, we have our state aid, we have our scholarship program, and we have our G3. I always tell students there is no financial reason that you cannot attend Rappahannock Community College because the support is there. You just have to do the work to get there. Find your answer at a Virginia Community College.